But later on, the Queen of Indore, Rani Ahilyabai Holkar, who was a staunch Shiva devotee, she one day got a dream and Shiva instructed her to rebuild the Kashi Vishwanath temple. And following the instructions of Shiva, Rani Ahilyabai Holkar actually rebuilt the Kashi Vishwanath temple. And today the Kashi Vishwanath temple that you see on the banks of Ganga is the same temple which Rani Ahilyabai Holkar had built. We must also mention that Maharaja Ranjit Singh from Indore had given a lot of donation to reconstruct this temple. In fact, he had given a ton of gold, which you can see on the gumbad of the temple. So that's a little bit about the history of Kashi Vishwanath temple. The city continues to be a place of worship. The city continues to be a place of belief and faith for thousands of devotees who come across the lengths and breadths of the world to gain gyan, to gain moksha, to gain liberation, to gain dhyan. And that remains the beauty of this city. The city, despite being a center of mass destruction by various Mughal kings, continues with its glory and continues with its beauty. Let me take you and show you a little bit of the Kashi city. Well, on my back you can see the Ganges, and you can also see a lot of people performing the puja on that side. So here people come here every day. They pray for themselves, for their well-being. They pray for the well-being of their loved ones. They pray for the moksha of those who have departed from this earth, and they pray for the overall liberation of people around the world. If you see the backside here, this part, this is a part of the temple. However, the main temple is not here. The main temple is to my left, and the Kashi Vishwanath temple, which was built by Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar, the Queen of Indore, with a lot of contribution from Maharaja Ranjit Singh from Indore. The temple stands the test of time on the Ganges Ghat and still continues to be a place where people install their devotion, their love, and their faith. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, I'm going to sign off. This is Diya Sharma bidding you bye. Har Har Mahadev.